The BOSS CXX124DVC Subwoofer is a robust audio component designed to deliver powerful sound with its impressive maximum power handling of 1,200 watts. It features a dual 4-ohm voice coil configuration, offering flexibility in wiring options to achieve the desired impedance for your audio system. The subwoofer's polypropylene cone and rubber surround ensure durability and longevity, providing clear and distortion-free sound even at high volumes. With a sensitivity of 85 decibels at 1 watt per meter, this subwoofer efficiently converts power into sound, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your car audio experience. Its compact dimensions and mounting depth of 5.83 inches make it suitable for various vehicle installations without compromising performance. BOSS Audio Systems backs this subwoofer with a 3-year platinum warranty when purchased through Amazon, ensuring peace of mind and reliability.